Hello all, welcome back to all of you in Python series. In today's video we are going to see how to handle a string in Python, how to define a string, right? So if I want to define a string, so what I need to do, I just need to define one variable and assign one string value to that variable. So here a is of my string data type. How to find the type of this variable? Just write print type of a. So you just run this program, right? You can see class is string, right? So here a is of your string data type. Now whenever you define a string, right, so you can fetch individual value or character from that string with the help of indexing. So this concept is called slicing in Python, right? So what do you mean by indexing? Indexing is same as we have seen in arrays, right? So this I is at 0th index, this n is at 1th index, and d is at 2nd index, and likewise, right? So I can find any individual character from that string with the help of, right, slicing. So what I need to do, I need to just give the index to this variable a, right? So how to do this? I just write print and just a, and I need to just write 1, right? When I just write 1, so here I get output as a n. Okay, so I is at 0th position and your n is at 1 position, right? If I just write here 0, so you can see on the screen you get n and I as an output, right? Even with the help of this slicing, we can find any substring from that string with the help of range. So how to do this? Print, you just write a, just pass the initial range, for example, and pass this and range, right? So you need to keep this thing in mind. 0 is included in that range and this 3 is excluded from that range. I just run this program and just let you know. Now you can see 0 to 3, 0, 1 and 2 is end. So you got output is end. So 0, 1, 2. So this 3 is excluded in that range and 0 is included in that range, right? Also in Python we can fetch the value of any value or any single character from the backside of the string with the help of negative indexing. So negative indexing start from -1, means your a is at -1 position, your I is at -2 position, your d is at -3 position. So you just write here print a -1, right? Just run the program. You see here a is at -1 position, right? You just write the, with the help of range you also find -1 to -3. Just run this program. You see it should be -1, -3 to -1. You can see di, right? Di. Okay, so likewise you can also fetch the value from the reverse of the string with the help of negative indexing, right? So this concept is called slicing in Python. Now in Python we can define a string with the help of double quotes or with the help of single quotes, right? For example, if I just write b equals to Mumbai, right? So here b is again of my string data type. If I just write print type of b and I just run the program, you can see here b is of class string, b is of class string, right? So in Python we can define a string value with the help of double quotes or single quotes, right? Now in Python st is a function through which we can convert any value to string variable, right? For example, again I just defined one variable called c equals to 5, and I just write print c, and what next I do, c equals to str of 5 and print c. Now run this code. Okay, so you can see here c equals to 5. Just let me run this program. Okay, sorry, it should be type of c, it should be type of c, right? Run this program. You see the output, this is of integer type, and you just convert this integer to string with the help of a string function, str function, so it become your str data type, right? Now in Python, if I want to find the length of any string, then with the help of length function we can find length of any string, right? For example, if I want to find the length of this variable b, so what I need to do, I need to just write print, then is function, I need to pass here b. So here you can get output, it's a 6, so its length is 6. Alright, so this is with the help of length function we can find the length of any variable, right? Now we also have one function called ordinal. With the help of this ord function we can convert any character to Unicode. Any character to Unicode means we just convert any character to, we can find the ASCII value of particular character. If I just write print ord, ord is a function. Okay, what I need to pass, I need to pass one character. For example, I just pass small a, and as we know, for small a the ASCII value is 97. Let's run this code. You get 97 on the screen, right? So with the help of this ord function you can convert character to Unicode or ASCII code, right? You can fetch the ASCII value of any character. Now with the help of this character function you can convert any Unicode or ASCII code to character value. What I need to do, I need to just write chr, here I need to pass 97. Okay, now run this program, right? So here 97 is the output of ord function, and this a is the output of this chr function, character function, right? So with the help of ord function you can find ASCII value of any character, and with the help of character function you can find any ASCII, any Unicode character of any of given ASCII number, right? Now if you want to concatenate to string, then with the help of this plus we can concatenate to a string, right? For example, here I want to just write print a plus b, right? So the output you will get here India Mumbai, right? If you want to give some space, so what you need to do, you need to just use one more space, concatenate operator, right? Now run this program. You see the output India Mumbai, right? If I just define one variable c equals to 5 and I just write here c, so it will throw you an error message. Let's see, right? You can see the error message can only concatenate str, right? So here c is of str type. So what you need to do, you need to just convert this integer into a string with the help of a string function, right? You just run the program, right? So India Mumbai 5 is the output. So with the help of this plus operator we can concatenate any number of string, right? Now we have multiplication or star operator. With the help of this we can get the string repetition, right? For example, I just write print hello stuff 5. See the output on the screen. You will get hello 5 times, right? Or if you want to just write simple star, you will get star 5 times on the screen, right? So with the help of this star or multiplication operator, you can get a string repetition, right? So in today's video we have covered how to define a string variable, how to do slicing, right? The str function, the len function. We also see the concatenation, string repetition function, ord function, and character function. So that's it from this video. If you like the video, please click on the like button and please do share with your colleagues or friends, right? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.